Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a job at Walmart online. So first you can go to google.com and then you can search Walmart careers, search it and you will find careers.walmart.com. You can click it and then this is the job portal and you can search based on the location. Let's say I want to search Los Angeles. This one, Los Angeles, California. Search it. As you can see, there is 37 results for this area, and you can scroll until you find the job that fits to you. Let's say I want to apply as a senior manager, or let's say this one, senior manager. And in this page, as you can see, there is employment type and also the job function. If you want to apply, you can just click apply here. Then you can get to the new website, new page, and this is your choice. You can choose autofill with resume or apply manually. Let's say I want to apply manually. And this is the flow. So you have to create an account and then fill your information, your experience, and then application questions voluntarily, and then review. So yeah, that's it. You can go on or you can search other jobs. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.